No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me, trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I'm lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that real full moon black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin ain't your teeth, can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please. Oh, I lose control when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. I lose control when you're not here with me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not here with me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me.
This dance is called Lose Control, choreographed by Bradley Mather. It's a 64 count, one wall, advanced level, rolling 8 count, Viennese waltz. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, facing 10-30, starting with the left foot, back with the hook, forward with the 1-8 turn right sweep, quad, side, together. Quarter turn left, ball, cross. Quarter turn left, ball, cross. Quarter turn left, ball, rock back, forward, full turn to the right, half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Step left foot forward and make a 3/4 turn right, hitch your right foot. Section 2, step down on your right foot and sway to right, sway to left. Weave, quad, side, behind. 2 back twinkle, side rock, recover, behind. Side rock, recover, behind. Back towards 730 and drag your right foot. Round, round, round to 130. Right, left, right. Section 3, forward with a 3/8 turn left. Sweep your right foot into a touch. Step forward, pivot half turn right, quarter turn right, side, back rock, recover, side, back rock, recover, side. Behind, side, 1/8 turn right, cross, facing 430. Section 5, forward, boss hitch, back, coaster step, forward with a 1/8 turn right sweep, into an extended weave, 胯 side, behind, side, 胯 side, behind with a sweep, touch behind, 1.5 turn right on your right foot. Step down on your left foot. Section 5. Side, sway to right, sway to left and reach your left arm, sway to right and reach your right arm. Step left foot to left side and bring both arms above head. Rock back, bring cross arm to your chest. For 2 count, straighten up, wrong side, facing 130. Section 6, reach right arm forward, reach left arm forward, bring both arms to your chest. Drop both arms. Sway to right, sway to left. 1/8 turn right twinkle, 胯 side, 1/8 turn right, facing 3 o'clock. Hinge half turn left, cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, quarter turn left, stepping to side, facing 9 o'clock. 1/8 turn right twinkle, cross, side, 1/8 turn right, facing 10:30. Hinge half turn left, cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, quarter turn left, stepping to side. Now facing 4:30. Section 7, cross rock, recover with a sweep, back with a sweep, back with a sweep. Step right foot back for 2 count and roll your hand backward. Lift up your left foot and raise up your left arm. Step down, half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward. Section 8, step forward, pivot half turn left, forward, forward. Cross samba, cross, side, quarter turn right, recover, facing 130. Here grind, recover, side, facing left diagonal. Here grind, recover, side, facing 130. Cross walk, recover, quarter turn left, stepping to side, facing 10:30. Chest full turn left, step forward, half turn left, make another half turn left, stepping back. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3, R4, R5, R6, R7, A and R. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R4 and R5 and R6 and R7, A and R. 1 and R2 and R3 and R4 R5 and R6 and R7 A and R. 1 and R2, 3 and R4, 5 and R6 and R7 and R A and R. 1 and R2 and R3 and R4 and R5 and R6 and R7 and R A and R. 1 and R2 and R3 and R4 and R5 and R6 and R7 and R A and R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R6 and R7 A and R. 1 and R2, 3, R4, 5 and R6 and R7 and R A and R. There's one restart in this dance. On wall 3, you dance up to count 15. Then make a slightly step change. Then connect to count 33. Now let me show you the wall 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2 and R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, A and R. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4 and R, 5 and R, 6 and R, 7. These are count 15. AR, do a side together, then connect to count 33. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4 and R, 5 and R, 6 and R, 7 and R, 8 and R. Then continue, finish wall 3. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.